My wife picked up this nice little pork loin, already wrapped in bacon and seasoned. I'm about to put it on the smoker, baby. It's a beautiful day to smoke a pork loin. Let's get it. I'm setting my grill up for an indirect cook using the Minion method. And this setup should get me somewhere around 225 and last 2 to 3 hours, if not longer. I found this guy on the marketplace selling these wood chunks made from whiskey barrels. They're soaked in whiskey, oak wood. These things smell amazing and they taste even better. We rocking with them. Let's go. My smoker is holding steady at 231, so it's time to put my pre-seasoned, pre-wrapped pork loin on. And since I had a little room on my grate there, I decided to go ahead and toss on a couple of blocks of Philly cream cheese. So let's get them on. Nothing left to do now but sit back and chill while we monitor the temp right here. I think I'll get me a nice cold beverage.